Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, right? Till now we have studied, as our school are closed, till now we have studied through WhatsApp, and you have written the written work which we are sending you, assignments and all that, right? But now from today we will start sending you videos. We will teach you through videos, right? So I will explain you both the chapters, first and second, which I have already sent to you before. Means writing part is done, but method is not explained, so I will explain you that from now, right? And we will start with chapter number 1, that is place value. Okay, in class 1, 2, 3 and 4 you have studied till 4 digit number, right? And in 4th standard you will study about 5 digit number and 6 digit number. As you all know, the smallest 1 digit number is 1. The smallest 1 digit number is 1 and the greatest 1 digit number is 9, right? Same way, the smallest 2 digit number is 10 and the greatest 2 digit number is 99. Now how this 2 digit number came? We have to add 1 in greatest 1 digit number. So 9 plus 1 means 10. That is the smallest 2 digit number. And when we will add 1 in greatest 2 digit number, that is 99. 99 plus 1, 100. That is the smallest 3 digit number, right? The greatest 3 digit number is 999. That is 999. In 999, when I add 1, I will get 1000. That is the smallest 4 digit number, right? And the greatest 4 digit number is 9999. When I add 1 in this, I will get 5 digit number, that is 10,000. Okay, and the greatest 5 digit number is 99,999. Okay, then I will add again 1 to greatest 5 digit number, that is 99,999 plus 1, I will get 1 lakh. I will get 1 lakh, that is the smallest 6 digit number. Okay, and the greatest 6 digit number is 9,99,999. So in 4th standard we will study till here, right? 5 digit and 6 digit numbers. Now before starting the other methods, I would like to explain you about the place value chart. You all know about the place value chart. Before also you have studied. Like first it will come ones, right? Then it will come tens. Then it will come hundreds. Then it will come thousand. Then it will come 10,000 and here lakh, right? This you have already studied before, but you have studied till 1000, okay, because that is 4 digit number. If I write 1 means 1 ones, 1 digit. 10 means 1 tens, that is 10, 2 digit number. 100 means 100, that is 3 digit number. 1000 means 1000, that is 4 digit number. And 10,000 means 10,000, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit number. That is we will start from here. And one more, that is 1 lakh. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit number. Okay, so like this way, this is called the place value chart. And you have to remember this place value, place also and the value of the number also. Now one more thing is there in this, that is this last 3 digit makes ones period. They all are divided into periods. This is called ones period. Okay, 1000 and 10,000 would merge and make thousands period. It will make thousands period, right? And the last one will make lakh period. Okay, now why they are divided in periods? When we are separating, we are keeping commas in between the digits, between the numbers. See here I have kept comma 1, 2, 3, then comma again, comma here after 2 digits. Why? Ones, tens and 100 means that is one period. When one period gets completed, you have to keep comma to separate the periods of them. Right? Let me give you one example by giving one number. Let us talk about 7, 8, 6, 3, 4. Okay. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit number. Okay. 5-digit number I am keeping comma in between here because ones period is getting completed. This is 7 ones, 8 tens, 6 hundreds, 3 thousands, 4 10,000 means 40,000. This is a number in figures. Okay. 5-digit number in figures. And now I will tell you how to write it in words. Okay. That is 40,000. Sorry, 43,000. 687. This is in words, okay? 43,687. Now I am adding one more digit here, that is 2. That is 2 lakh. Here the period is getting changed, so I am keeping here comma. So how I will read this number? 2,43,687. And how I will write in figures, in words this number? Here I will add here 2,43,687. Clear? This is in figure and this is in words. Okay. Now let me talk about place value of it. When we are writing the place value of 2,43,687, place value and face value. I will explain you face value afterwards. First let me show you place value. Okay. 7's place value is 7. 8 place value is 80. Why? Because 7 is at 1's place, so only 7 will come. 8 is at 10's place, means 8 times 10. So it is 80. 6 is at 100 place, so it will be 600. Right? 3 is at 1000's place, so it will be 3000. 4 is at 10,000 place, so it will be 40,000. Right? And 2 is at lakh place, so it will be 2 lakh. Okay, this is called the place value of this number, given number. Place value of the given number. Okay, now what is face value? Face value means, what is face value? Face, what is the meaning of face? When you are seeing someone in front of you, that is called face to face. Same way here, in front of your face, which number is seen to you? If I tell you what is the face value of 7, then what is the number given here? Which number you can see in front of your face? 7. So the number face value of 7 is 7. Same way, when I will ask you, what is the face value of 8? Which number is seen in front of your face? 8. So it will be 8. Then what the face value of 6 will be? 6. Face value of 3 will be 3. Face value of 4 will be 4. And face value of 2 will be 2. So the face value will remain the same like the number, because that number is being seen to you in front of your face. Clear everyone? Okay. Now one more thing I will explain you, that is called expanded form of it. Expanded form, or you can say expanded notation of it. Okay. Anything you can say, expanded form or expanded notation. Now to write expand means what? To expand means to make something bigger. If you want to say make something bigger, you will expand, means you are making it big. So this number we are making it big. How we will make it big? So what you will do for that? You have to use the place value of it. For making the number big, you have to use this place value. What you will do here? You will write in expanded form. What you will do? First you will write 2 lakh. The place value of 2 is 2 lakh. So I'll write 2 lakh plus place value of 4 is 40,000. I'll write 40,000 plus place value of 3 is 3,000. I'll write 3,000 plus place value of 6 is 600. So I will write 600 plus place value of 8 is 80. So I'll write 80 and place value of 7 is 7. So I'll write 7 here. Right. This is called expanded form of the given number. 2 lakh plus 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 7. Right. This is called the expanded notation or expanded form of the given number. To remember this, one more technique is that what you can do is write 2 first, then count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and write down there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Means the number you have to write, and then after that whatever number of digits are there, that digits you have to keep, instead of the digits you have to keep 0 and then you have to write. Okay. In this video, till that's all for this video. Okay. Goodbye.